I've been getting hold offline for like 5 fucking minutes, dude. My router's all on. Everything's fine. It's just he's flooding me because he's 14-0 or something, 20-0, and he was about to lose. And he flooded me in a singles match. Can't connect. I'll prove it right here. Shows that I have internet, but I can't fucking connect. Doesn't make sense. Do it in the mirror. Come on, fucking load. Load. Look at that. Connected. Shows a check mark. All my shit's there. Shows that I'm hooked up. Just can't get to that. On my Ethernet cord to my Xbox. It connects to the internet. No, it doesn't. Because he's flooding me. Fucking flooding me, dude. Everything's on. Fucking idiot, dude. Last time. Kids are fucking pathetic. Bums with guns. Bums. There it is. Getting held off for like 10 minutes now. Since 30, for like 4. Oh, I thought I could connect in. There you go. Fucking faggot, dude.